How do you play Candyland?
With colors.
What about the colors?
Orange, red, and green, and purple, and yellow, and pink, and red, and white, and yellow.
Do you pick a color?
And blue, and
Well, do you pick a color? Is that how you play?
yeah.
Yeah. Well, what do you do after you pick a color?
Yellow.
Do you move your little game piece?
Yeah.
Well, where do you move it?
White and yellow.
Oh. Is yellow your favorite color?
Yeah, green.
Green is? What? Excuse you.
Uh-oh. You're gonna draw. Whoa. Oh, point.
Hey, that's not how you play Candyland.
Wow. It's a drawing.
You're gonna lose the pieces.
No, they're drawing.
They are what?
It's drawing.
Are you done?
Wow.
What? What happened? Are you done?
No.
Well, what are you doing now?
Hey, what is it?
Is that how you play Candyland?
We play God.
Oh, we're playing cars now? All right.